Pour the right amount of oil. Sauté the garlic, onions, and tomatoes, cooking them for just a few minutes, especially the tomatoes. Add the unshelled shrimp and sauté briefly. Pour 500 milliliters of water and bring it to a boil. Also add 1/2 teaspoon of pepper, 1 tablespoon of fish sauce, 1/2 teaspoon of MSG. After bringing it to a boil, you can add the sliced sponge gourd. Let it boil again. Also add the misua and let simmer for a couple of minutes. Stir it. And now you can enjoy the misua, sponge, gourd, and shrimp soup.
Thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and click the notification bell for more updates to my YouTube channel. Thanks!